Hey, taco lovers, get ready for a taste of Mexico tacos de barbacoa. These tacos are super popular and seriously delicious. Barbacoa is usually made with lamb or beef, cooked really slowly until it's fall-apart tender. This cooking style is super old. People in Mexico have been making it this way for centuries, cooking the meat over an open fire. Now you can find these amazing tacos everywhere, from little street stands to fancy restaurants. They're not just a meal, they're like a party in your mouth. Barbacoa is all about good food and good times, showing off how awesome Mexican food is. Let's talk about what makes barbacoa so amazing. The spices. These spices make it taste out of this world. Cumin is one of the stars, giving it a warm, earthy flavor. Then there's chili powder, which adds a nice little kick. Don't forget the garlic and oregano. Garlic makes it smell incredible, and oregano adds another layer of yummy earthiness. All these spices work together like a band playing a delicious song. They're not just ingredients, they're like the secret code to amazing Mexican cooking. Time to cook some barbacoa. There are 3 ways to do it: slow cooker, pressure cooker, or oven. The slow cooker is great for making it super duper tender, like melts in your mouth tender. The pressure cooker is your best friend if you're short on time. It makes awesome barbacoa in under an hour. And if you want to cook it the old school way, the oven is the way to go. No matter how you cook it, you'll end up with some seriously tasty barbacoa. It's like a cooking superhero, always delicious. Okay, the barbacoa is ready, so let's build some tacos. Warm corn tortillas are perfect for holding all that yummy meat. Shred the barbacoa and mix it with some of the juices from cooking. This makes it extra saucy and flavorful. Now for the best part, toppings. Cilantro, onions, and lime juice are the classics. They make the tacos taste fresh and bright. If you like it spicy, add some salsa. And if you want it creamy, try guacamole or sour cream. Boom! Perfect tacos!